Imagine a world where agricultural land shrinks by 3/4. That's right, farmland plummets from 4 billion to just 1 billion hectares. Suddenly, vast fields once used for grazing cattle or growing animal feed are free. What could we do with all that land? We could rewild it, let forests regrow. We could rewild it, let forests regrow, bring back wetlands, create massive reserves for wildlife. Think about deforestation. As forests rebound, wildlife habitats return. Thousands of species threatened by agriculture could find a second chance. Their homes restored. Imagine the sound of birdsong in places that were once silent fields. Imagine the sound of birdsong in places that were once silent fields. No more clear-cutting ancient forests, just to make room for pasture. Soybeans for animal feed. Deforestation rates would tumble. As forests rebound, wildlife habitats return. Thousands of species could find a second chance. Now, let's talk about greenhouse gases. Livestock farming alone pumps out up to 14.5% of global emissions, mostly methane and nitrous oxide. If animal agriculture disappeared, those emissions would drop drastically. Plant-based diets are way more efficient, producing a fraction of the emissions per calorie. Water is another game changer. Raising animals for food is incredibly thirsty work. Irrigating crops for feed, and hydrating the animals themselves. Switching to plants would slash water use, especially where every drop counts. Rivers could run fuller. Aquifers could recover. And people in water-scarce areas would feel the relief. So picture it. More wilderness, thriving wildlife, cleaner air, and plenty of water. It's an inspiring vision, and it all starts on our plates. Let's look at some of the key health benefits of a plant-based diet. Health benefits of a pure plant-based diet. Heart health. But there are important caveats to keep in mind. Strict vegan diets may lack vitamin B12, iron, omega-3s, and calcium. These nutrients should be supplemented or carefully sourced from fortified foods and plant-based options. And remember, no diet is a magic shield. Sleep, stress, exercise, and genetics all play major roles in your overall health and disease resistance. The most powerful approach is a balanced, well-planned diet, combined with healthy habits and a positive outlook. Immunity and disease resistance. Anti-inflammatory effects.